Welcome back. The DJI Mini 3 Pro is officially out in the wild. That's right, the internet has dropped its very first unboxing video, and we're going to watch it today. I also have the official announcement by DJI for the product release of the Mini 3 Pro happening next week. Let's get started. DJI's official announcement, or invite, reads a lot like an Apple invite. A twist in the plot. May 10th, 2022, 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And then there's this graphic below with the 3 water droplets. I had no clue what this was. It has to do with the vertical shots of the camera, or what DJI calls true vertical. So it's all about that camera going from a horizontal position to a vertical position. Then the 3 droplets, there is speculation that there might be an IPS rating for resistance, water resistance, or even waterproofing. We'll just have to wait to see. This very first unboxing video of the Mini 3 Pro with DJI RC remote control that has the built-in screen was a huge surprise. In fact, it came out the same day as DJI's official announcement for next week's product launch. Now, as you can see, the picture on the box is exactly what was leaked to us a number of weeks ago. It hasn't changed at all. And the remote control, as soon as he pops that out of the package, you can tell that it is exactly what we were given in leaked photos just this last week. And the screen brightness looks impressive in that dark picture, as well as when it is booted up outside in direct sunlight. It looks like an amazing remote control. Now, as the remote control is flipped over to the bottom side, we can see where the joysticks are stored, as well as 2 control buttons. Now, I've done some research. These are called C1 and C2. I'm wondering if this is going to replace the function button as well as the camera button that helps you toggle back and forth between video and still shots. If you know the answer, leave it down in the comments below. When the remote control is flipped back over, we are shown the bottom of the remote, and we have that flap that said host on the left side and micro SD card on the right. When that door is flipped up, we see what? Another USB-C port. What could that be? Could that be hosting a computer so that you can do a live stream? Could it be that you can hook up an external SSD hard drive? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. For the first time, we're seeing the physical Mini 3 Pro out in the wild in video being booted up. Now, what's hard to tell from this video is the scale and size of the drone. When you look at this picture, the Air 2S on the bottom and the Mini 3 Pro on the top, the wingspan is the same. What is going on? How is this a sub 250 gram drone? Just look at my Air 2S with my Mini 2 stacked on top. It is a lot smaller than the Air 2S. So impressive DJI, yes. But is this drone going to feel cheap and fragile? I cannot wait to get one in my hands. Let me know how you feel about this in the comments below. One of the biggest questions I get lately is, I have a Mini 2, should I upgrade to the Mini 3 Pro? Well, I actually made a video about that, and you can click or tap on it right here. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you meet me in the next video.